Good morning, beta. Good morning. Now, children, listen. Have you compiled your videos? Have you compiled your group videos?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I have planted my video.
One by one.
Video I have sent.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in our group there are only 2 students who have sent the video.
ma'am, I have also
Only
sent
I
it.
have sent. Not other students have sent.
In our group,
I have
sent you the video. Types of notebook.
Listen, children,
Ma'am,
don't you feel it becomes like a fish market? All of you start speaking together. Can you wait for each other to finish and then you can start? One by one, all of you speak. And while one person is speaking, other person is supposed to just shut his mouth. Yes,
ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, I have sent in my video to you, ma'am, but you are saying composition. To do that,
what that?
ma'am, that's some composing.
Compilation.
Listen.
What have you made your video on?
But
Ma'am,
my group
Punjab
only
project is 60.
Who all are there in your group?
Ma'am, ma'am, 1 minute, let me check. Ma'am,
So
Barin.
have you sent the video in that group or not?
No, ma'am.
Why not? Are you supposed to send it to me? Will I make your project work complete? Will I do the presentation? It is your group members now. You're supposed to send it to them. When you are there in the group, then why haven't you sent it till now? Hurry up and send it right now in your group. Yes, Varun, what do you have to say?
ma'am, only 3 students have sent it on my
Who are they?
And
Who are those 3 students? Tell me.
ma'am, one is me, one is Iram, and ma'am, one is me, Iram, and Ashwin.
Varun, Iram, and Ashwin. All right. Who 2 have not sent?
Ma'am, Ashwik and Dev.
Now he's saying Ashwin has sent. Dev will send now because Dev's video is done. Who is the 5th member of your group?
Ma'am, Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu has not sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Saif, you were saying something.
Ma'am, in our group, ma'am, 3 students have sent the video and 2 have
Who are
not
those
sent.
3 students who have sent?
Ma'am, I, Kushag and Prasoon. And ma'am, Jayesh has sent the video, but ma'am, it is, ma'am, totally wrong. Ma'am, he has sent the slides.
Okay, it is not a video. It's a slide kind of a thing. So, the
Yes, ma'am.
Saif Ali, Saif, listen to me, beta. You are very good at all these things. Can you convert those slides into a video?
Ma'am, but ma'am, he have to convert. Ma'am, I cannot convert, ma'am, because ma'am, the video is, ma'am, I cannot get video.
Okay, you will not be able to do it.
Ma'am, because ma'am, it's the type of photos.
So those photos cannot be put into a video, like you take a screenshot of each page and you put it in a video, Saif. Can you try it?
Yes, ma'am, I can try, ma'am, but Jay's network is not, ma'am, good, ma'am. He cannot speak, ma'am.
He cannot speak, so no problem. The project has been made by Jayesh. We can put it like that in the end. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Saif, you have done. Kushagra has done. Who else has done from your group?
Ma'am, Prasoon has also have done.
Yes, Prasoon has done very nicely. And who else? Who is the 5th student who has not done?
Ma'am, Gunagya. Ma'am, he is not responding and saying and not telling he has done or not.
Okay, listen. Now, Utsav, what do you have to say?
Ma'am, in my group, there are only 2 students that have sent it the video.
Okay, Utsav, who all are there in your group?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, I'm talking to Utsav.
Ma'am, I am
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Utsav.
Ma'am, Anshuman, Lakshita, Krishna, Rachit, ma'am, I.
Anshuman,
And-
you have made?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
And
send
ma'am,
it also.
Apurva also.
Apurva has made?
No, ma'am.
No, Apurva is in your group. Who said Apurva is in your group?
Ma'am, you have said.
Apurva, which Apurva, beta?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Apurva
Apurva
Thakur.
Thakur.
Okay. Apurva Thakur. She has not sent?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, only I and Anshuman has sent it.
All right. What is your topic, Utsav?
Ma'am, clothes of Punjab.
Okay, Saif, in your group, who is speaking on clothes of Punjab?
Ma'am, I.
All right. Varun, in your group, who is speaking on clothes?
Ma'am, on clothes.
Iram,
Ma'am, I am
on clothes?
Ma'am, I am not speaking on clothes.
Ashvik is speaking?
Ma'am, Abhimanyu. Ma'am,
Abhimanyu.
costumes and fabric and ma'am,
Abhimanyu.
costumes and fabric and embroidery. Abhimanyu.
Okay. So, Utsav, listen to me, Utsav. Where is Utsav?
Ma'am, I am here.
Okay, Utsav, now since you are ready with your project and your group members are not ready, you can send your video in Varun's group. Okay? Get added in Varun's group. Don't suffer because of other students. Is that fine? Varun,
Okay, ma'am.
you may add Utsav in your group and remove Abhimanyu from your group. Just ask him once if he is ready to send the video. Did you ask him even once? Have you spoken to Abhimanyu?
No, ma'am.
No? Has any other student spoken to Abhimanyu regarding the video? No.
ma'am.
Just ask him once if he is ready to do. Otherwise, add Utsav in that group. Is that fine? Don't remove Abhimanyu. Varun, just right now add Utsav. Utsav will send his video in your group.
Okay, ma'am. I am ready.
Now,
Ma'am, I have also made the video.
yes. Anshuman, what are you speaking on?
Ma'am, festivals of Punjab.
Okay. Saif, in your group, who is speaking on festivals?
Ma'am, Prasoon.
Prasoon has made.
Ma'am, I have added Utsav.
Yes, ma'am. He has made. Ma'am, he is making on the.
Okay. Lakshita, what about your project work, beta? Lakshita, Rachit, and Adrika Shingal.
Left, so ma'am, today I will send it.
What is left?
Ma'am, the photos are left to be. Ma'am.
Lakshita and Adrika, what about you?
Ma'am, I am doing on festivals.
Ma'am, I am not added.
Added Utsav.
Ma'am, I can add Utsav. Ma'am, can I add?
Yes, add.
Ma'am, I
Rachit,
have
what about
added.
you? What are you
Ma'am, I
speaking
think
on?
he has
Food
added
and languages, ma'am, I will send it on.
Beta, please.
Ma'am, I will send it on today.
Rachit, you will do it today because you're speaking on places, monuments, and rivers, which is a very important topic. Because this is only going to be the introductory topic. Is that fine?
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and I am speaking on food and languages, and ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, now I have added Utsav Gangwar. Ma'am, Utsav.
Okay. Gunagya. Now Gunagya has just joined the
Yes, ma'am.
class. I could see. Where is Gunagya?
Excuse me,
Gunagya,
ma'am.
open your camera. Just a minute. Gunagya, beta, see this project work. Are you doing this project work or not? Beta, in which group is Gunagya? In whose group we have Gunagya?
Ma'am, in my.
In your group.
Gunagya is not connected to audio. Ma'am, Gunagya is not connected to audio. He can't listen what you are saying.
Did you
Yes,
did you
ma'am.
speak to did you people speak to Gunagya? Sir,
Ma'am.
speak to him.
I have phone, but ma'am, he did not answer.
Okay, then
Ma'am, I
let's.
want to say something.
Yes, Prasun, say.
Ma'am, he is in my group. I have sent many times him message on personal number, but he did not reply me.
Okay, what has Gunage? What is Gunage supposed to speak on?
Ma'am, food languages.
Food and languages. Now,
Ma'am, it
Rachit,
is of
listen. Listen to me. Now, Rachit also has to speak on food and languages. Rachit, are you there? Yes. Beta, you will prepare your video today and send it in Prasun's group so that 2 groups get ready. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Today itself, you have to do this work.
Ma'am, what will I do?
Okay. Now, who all are left? Anshuman is left. Lakshita is left.
Ma'am, I am make.
Beta, wait. Just a minute. Wait. I am putting Rachit in whose group? Saif's group, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
removing Kushagr from there.
Okay, ma'am.
And Utsav
Ma'am,
has
why?
been removed. Now, Anshuman, listen. Anshuman, beta, you have to talk to Apurva Thakur.
Ma'am.
Apurva Thakur is there. Lakshita is there. And Adrika Shingal is there. Lakshita, Adrika, Apurva Thakur. Adrika, what is your topic?
Ma'am, festivals of Punjab.
Okay, Lakshita, what is your topic?
Ma'am, it's traditional things.
All right. Anshuman, your topic is?
Festivals of Punjab.
Oh my God. How can we have 2 people speaking on festivals? Apurva, okay, what is Apurva's topic?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Now, children, see what is happening is because these students have not prepared. Because of them, this problem is coming. Krishna hasn't replied. Krishna was also supposed to talk on food and languages. Then Ashvik was also supposed to talk on food and languages. Yes, Abhimanyu?
Ma'am,
I
was
Ma'am,
of station, so I have not prepared on my topic.
So when will you prepare, Abhimanyu?
Ma'am, today.
Yes, today you have to do and send it in which group? Do you know?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
today is
FSC
our
project
day.
IV.
Ma'am, those who have made the project, they will be removed.
No, they will not be removed, beta. Listen now,
Ma'am, so
Utsav, just tell
ma'am,
me,
why?
you want to be back in your group or you want to be in that group, Varin's group only?
Ma'am, Varin's group.
Varin's group. Okay, so now Abhimanyu will be added in which group? In Anshuman's group. Is that fine? Abhimanyu, what are you speaking on?
Ma'am, costumes and embroidery.
Costumes and embroidery. Very good. And what is Apurva
Ma'am, why
Thakur
you have
speaking
said
on?
Ma'am, why you have said to remove me?
Remove you? No, I haven't told. Gunage is asking me this. Who is asking? Kushagr, beta, I haven't removed you from any group.
Okay, ma'am.
Kushagr, what are you speaking on?
Ma'am, food and languages.
Food and languages. So Kushagr will be there in Anshuman's group, right? Abhimanyu is speaking on. Abhimanyu, what are you speaking on? Embroidery.
Costumes and embroidery.
Embroidery plus costumes. Yes.
Ma'am, Sav's group. Ma'am, I am not in.
Now, beta, you will be in Anshuman's group.
Ma'am.
Anshuman, please add him.
Utsav is doing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, Utsav is doing Abhimanyu's topic.
No, beta, Utsav is doing his own topic. Utsav is doing
Ma'am,
his
which
topic.
is.
Okay, wait, beta, wait. All of you, please wait.
Well, many
Which
students
topic?
in my group have not spoken.
Ma'am, you have said to send Abhimanyu and Anshuman's group. Ma'am, but it is still in our in our group. Ma'am, Varun's group.
Ma'am, Utsav is speaking on which topic?
Utsav is speaking on costumes of Punjab. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Abhimanyu
Okay,
is
ma'am.
speaking on costumes. So, Abhimanyu has come in his group and Utsav has gone in Saif's group. Is that fine? No, Varun's group. Sorry, Varun's group.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Rachit has made the video now.
Abhimanyu is still in our group.
They've what?
Ma'am, but
Ma'am,
still
Rachit has-
Abhimanyu is our group.
Beta, abhi to nobody has removed him now. I'll go mad. Really,
Ma'am,
I'm going to
Rachit
go
has
mad
made-
with this project work. Next, who is left? Children, see, if you will not make those who have done hard work, their individual presentation is going to go. And they are going to get good marks for it. Is that fine? This thing, Garv Agarwal, beta, why 4th B has come in 4th C? You have joined wrong link.
Okay, ma'am.
Avika Agarwal has also made. Now Jayesh is also joining. Let's ask Jayesh also. Jayesh, what about your project work, beta? Have you done it? Okay, Jayesh is in Saif's group.
Ma'am, I have done my project.
Beta, but you have created slides, no? Simple slide. This is not a video kind of a thing. You have to convert it in a video, put your audio behind that and speak and explain those things. How will that be possible? Anyways, I've asked Saif to help you out. Now, please, both of you coordinate and work with each other so that your thing, your hard work comes out beautifully. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Agrim Verma.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Agrim Verma is also there. Some students don't even know their topics. Where is Krishna, by the way?
Ma'am, Krishna is in my group.
Krishna, and what is he speaking on?
Ma'am, he is not replying anybody's message.
Rachit, what are you speaking on, beta?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, I am not connected to any group, ma'am. Any group if I am in.
Yes, you are not there. So you have to make your individual presentation on, Adrika, where is your name? On festivals of Punjab. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And listen, Rachit and, okay, have I told Rachit to be in Saif's group? Have I told this thing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, because Jayesh is
No,
speaking on, Jayesh is going to speak on places and monuments. So Rachit has to be in some other group, in Anshuman's group.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but Rachit is in my group only.
Who is saying this? Anshuman. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshuman, who
Ma'am,
all are
Rachit
there?
is
Who all are there in your group, Anshuman?
Ma'am, Utsav has left and now, ma'am, there
Abhimanyu
are
has joined.
5. Ma'am, the students in my group are I, Krishna, Lakshita and Rachit. Ma'am, I have to send one more video in Anjuman's group or that only video
That
which I have
only,
made.
beta, that only. Why one more? Just that video.
Ma'am, in our group only one student is left.
Anshuman is there. Anshuman. Now Abhimanyu comes here. Then we have Lakshita. Then we have Apurva and Rachit. Right? We have these students. Now you have to talk to Krishna and Apurva, both of them, to get the work done. And Adrika, what is your topic?
Ma'am, my topic is festivals of Punjab.
So you will make your presentation positively today and send it. If you don't do it better, this is the deadline. All the classes have started sending and nothing has been done from your class. Those students who have done it, please, you can compile your videos and send it to Sangeeta ma'am and Palak ma'am. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
At least those who
Okay,
have
ma'am.
done this hard work can start getting praises. Yes.
Excuse me,
Again fish market. Again fish market. Yes, Iram, what are you saying?
Ma'am, you have said that we have to merge the videos of one group. So, ma'am, who will merge?
You can send it to ask Sangeeta ma'am if she is going to merge the videos for you or any group member. Any group member of yours can merge it.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in our group only
If
one
not,
student-
in the end, I am going to help you out. If nobody is ready to do it. Yes, Anshuman asked, what is your question?
Ma'am, in my group, only I have made the video. Can I send it to Palak ma'am and Sangeeta ma'am?
Better wait for today. Till evening, if your group mates don't send you the video, you can send it. Fine?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Seth.
Ma'am, in our group, ma'am, who will speak on food and language?
In Seth's group. Seth, you have Prasun, Jayesh,
Ma'am, and I.
and I. So you can
Yes, ma'am.
take Ashvik is there. And
Ma'am, but
Kushag.
Ashvik has not made the
Kushag
video.
was supposed to speak, na
I
beta
can-
Kushag?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, Kushak has sent the video. Ma'am, he's in our group.
Yes, he's in your group. And he's
Okay,
speaking
ma'am.
on food and languages.
Okay, ma'am, our video is completed.
Very nice. Saf, so now today you can sit and just do work on it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, I will send till you
the
evening.
videos of my group.
Yes, of course you can merge, beta. Very good.
Ma'am, who is going to merge offer?
Any one of you, all of you decide on the group only. Talk to each other and decide who is going to merge. You should keep a good order. The sequence of everything should be very good. Okay, so that the video looks good.
Okay.
Fine. And in the beginning, you can also just do one very small thing. You can add a slide, art integrated project made by, suppose, whatever names of your group students are. Varin,
Ma'am?
Saif, Iram, Anshuman, this. You can add this
Ma'am?
slide and one by one, then your video will come.
Ma'am,
Okay?
ma'am, I have done it in the last, ma'am, because after seeing video, ma'am, I will member of the project, ma'am, Jayesh,
Yes.
Kushag, and ma'am, all the
Like
and
that.
the,
Very
all the
nice.
students do. Yes, ma'am. Prasoon, ma'am. I
Very
have
nice.
done.
Very good. Beta. Yes.
And ma'am, I have also added first, ma'am, one introduction about Punjab.
Very good. Beta.
Ma'am?
Very good. Yes,
Ma'am?
Dev.
Ma'am, can I merge the video of my group?
Beta, Varin, Iram, Dev, Utsav, you all are there. You can decide who will merge. Okay? Decide amongst yourself. Whosoever can merge it in the best way may do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in Google, ma'am, I have to just search festivals of Punjab, and ma'am, whatever comes, I will have
Adrika,
to
you are not there in any group.
Ma'am, I am.
Which group? Tell me. On WhatsApp, who has added Adrika in her group? Her or his group?
Ma'am, Anshuman.
Anshuman, have you added Adrika?
No, ma'am.
Adrika, what is your number?
No, Adrika is not in my group.
Adrika, beta, how will anybody know your number? Can you please help someone out? What is your phone
Ma'am.
number?
Ma'am, I know, Adrika phone number. Ma'am, I will tell.
9654182469. Is it your number, Adrika?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Ma'am, I also know.
I can repeat 9654 182469.
Yes. This is your number, so it's fine. You can be.
This is my my mama's number.
तो बेटा आप बताओ ना कौन सा नंबर आपका ऐड करना है.
Mom, I don't know.
You don't know, then how can anybody else help you out, beta, when you don't know for yourself? When you're not giving your information, you're not giving your details, how will you be added in any group? I told you that day also to take your number. Then you're complaining, ma'am, I'm not there in any group. How will anybody add you, beta, till you'll not give your number to anyone? It's not anybody's fault if you are not in any group. Just try and ask your number, which number has to be added. Ask your parent or whosoever is there in your house, and then get yourself added. You have everyone's number, right? In WhatsApp, you have everyone's number. What are you working on? You working on laptop?
Mom, tablet.
Tablet, right. So in that tablet, you've got WhatsApp. You've got this app, WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now on WhatsApp, when you click on the information, you'll get everyone's number there. Is it fine? Now, whichever group you are in, just tell that student to add you in that group. It is your duty, Adrika. Otherwise, you'll be left alone in the end. It's okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am,
Yes, Varin.
in my group, can all the children edit the video? Then the children, then the
Okay,
video.
I am assigning this work. This work will be
Okay,
done
ma'am.
by Iram. She is going to merge all the videos. No confusion, nothing.
Okay.
Iram is doing in one group, Saif is doing in other group. Then we have who will do in Rachit's group, Rachit, Anshuman, Lakshita, Abhimanyu. Who will do in this group?
Ma'am, I don't know to edit.
Okay, I am going to help out this group. But first of all of you send your videos. Then only I'll be able to merge them. Now we are left with Adrika, Apurva, and one or two more students. That's all. Any other confusion, children? Any other confusion? Batao, don't feel afraid. Don't feel scared. Okay, let's come on to the revision then. Let's do the revision of 17th chapter. Ready?
So we have to write answers in the chat box.
Yes, you have to write answers in the chat box.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't type in chat box, and ma'am, even if I can type it, ma'am, it is not showing the sending option in my
Okay.
tablet.
So Adrika, what you'll do is you'll write all the answers on a piece of paper. Okay. Later, you will click the picture and send it on the class group. After the class will get over. Is that fine? Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, after everyone's answer, ma'am, when you will ask the question and when everyone's answer is finished, ma'am, can I tell the correct answer?
But beta, I'm giving long answers. No? It is going to take a lot of time. That is why I'm telling you to write these answers. It will be for your practice also.
Okay, ma'am.
10 more minutes left for the class to get over, right? Yes. So the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
question is, name the boundaries of the Southern Plateau. Name the boundaries of the Southern Plateau.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot make the Jayesh video, so ma'am, my sister can voice over of Jayesh.
Yes, yes, very good. That will be
Yes,
very
ma'am.
nice of you, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Because ma'am, and I will give the I will give the I will add the name of the Jayesh also in the project. Ma'am, because ma'am he have make the video.
Please repeat the question.
Yes, that's a very good idea. Name the boundaries of the Southern Plateau.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write in cat.
Yes. What?
Ma'am, please repeat the question, ma'am. I cannot listen.
Name the boundaries of the Southern Plateau.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, all the boundaries. See, in boundaries, what is on the northern side of the Southern Plateau? What is on the right and left side of Southern Plateau? You people are forgetting this answer. Yes, Anshuman's answer is absolutely correct. Very nice. Only one correct answer till now by Anshuman.
Ma'am, I have also given.
Utsav, that's not correct. Okay, this is also correct. Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau on the north. But what is on the east and west side, beta? When we talk about the borders of anything, we talk of all the four directions, not only just one side. What is a border? What is a boundary? Tell me. Boundary is made on all four sides? Or are we just talking of one side? Iram, what happened, beta? Your answer is also incomplete. See, children, which is the Southern Plateau? Southern Plateau is the Deccan Plateau. Now, what does Deccan Plateau have on the right-hand side and on the left-hand side? Or I must say on the eastern side or on the western side. It is bordered by Eastern Ghats on the eastern side, Western Ghats on the western side, and on the north, which hill range is there? Or if you don't...
Aravali Hills.
Yes. Either you can write Aravali Hills or you can also write it is bordered by Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Because just towards the south of both the plateaus, we have Deccan Plateau, right? On one side it is Malwa Plateau, one side it is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, the next question.
Ma'am, I have one.
Okay, ask.
Ma'am, in the Punjab project, ma'am, I have a number of Adrika.
Okay, so but she's saying na that is her mom's number.
Ma'am, but I don't know she is her real number or not. Ma'am, its number is ma'am. I am. Ma'am, its number is 965418246.
Beta, this is her mom's number. She just said right now. The phone is with her mom.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes. What are you saying now?
Ma'am,
Okay, ready for the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
The next question is, what minerals are found in Chhattisgarh? What minerals do you find in the state of Chhattisgarh? Very good, Utsav. Correct answer. Very good, Dave. Very good, Iram. Adrika. Okay. Adrika, can you tell the answer? Which minerals are found in the state of Chhattisgarh? Very good, Lakshita. Very good, Anshuman. Okay, very good. Abhimanyu, it's coal, iron, and bauxite. Okay, dolomite. I have not even heard of this dolomite. I don't know where have you found it from. The next question is, name the tourist attractions of the state of Maharashtra. Name all the tourist attractions. What happened, Iram? Iram does not seem to be in a good mood today. Huh?
Ma'am, I don't know the tourist attraction of Maharashtra.
You are confused.
Yes, ma'am.
I showed you some images, some tourist attractions. I shared some screen with you. We were talking about the state of Maharashtra, some caves. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am sending my answer.
Children, while typing these answers, if you don't know the answer, you can take help of your book.
Ma'am, I have sent my answer. Ma'am, please check it is
Very good,
correct or not.
Kushag. Very good, Devarya. Kushag, your answer is incomplete, beta. Apart from these caves, there are other tourist attractions also. Okay, take help from your book. It is a kind of revision going on. It is not a test kind of a thing that you can't open your books. I'm making you learn these answers.